You are going to love the 2018 911. 911. Safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Owning a Porsche should be a very special experience. That's why when you buy a Porsche approved vehicle, we do everything we can to ensure it's as good as it looks. You can expect driving pleasure, quality, safety, and stability of value. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.